Hey YouTube, what is going on? The printer guy here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download a driver on your Epson printer. It doesn't matter what Epson printer you have, I'm going to be showing you how to download the driver for your specific printer model. It is very simple. You do not need the CD copy of your driver. You can simply download it digitally onto your PC. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to go to Google, you're going to type in your specific printer model, or you can click the link down in the description below. That will take you to Epson's website where you can enter your printer model name. But going along with this process, you're going to type in your printer model. So one of the first options you get on Google is what you're going to click. Make sure it's Epson's website though, because you really want to get this driver directly from them. And then from here, it's really simple. All you have to do is go to your specific operating system, whether you have Mac operating system or Windows. Right now, I have Windows 11, so I'm going to select Windows 11. You're then going to hit go, and after you hit go, you will have the option to download the driver directly to your computer. This icon will pop up. You're going to click on that icon, and then you're going to begin to start the process of downloading this driver. You're going to go through all of the prompts, and it will take you all the way through. The rest of this is pretty self-explanatory, but that is basically what you need to do to download the driver for your Epson printer. I hope this video ended up being helpful. Again, there's a link down in the description below, the very first link that is going to take you to Epson's website where you can directly search up your specific printer model. If this video ended up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. If you have any other video suggestions or any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more printer help videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel. That's really all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.